Hey guys, Jason again, Surviving Dad Life. I've got me a new camera person, girl, man, whatever you want to call her today that's going to be helping me out. And today we are going to fire up the smoker on a weekday. I know most of the time when you guys get the smoker fired up, it's an hours long process. Like if you do a brisket, you're looking at 12, 14, 16 hours on that brisket. Pulled pork, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. Ribs, 3 or 4. But today we're going to be shooting for about an hour and a half, and we're going to be making smoked sausage burn-ins. Okay, it's very simple to make. There's not really a whole lot that you have to do with it. I know they make different kinds of smoked sausage. There's different brands. We're not too picky on what we get. I've got the Eckrich brand here. I think we like the Hillshire Farms the best. But we're going to get these things busted out of the package. We're going to get them laid out, and then we're going to transfer them onto the smoker. Okay, I've got 2 family packs of smoked sausage, and I've got my smoker at 225 degrees. This is very simple, quick, easy recipe. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out and just lay them out on the smoker. All right, and my last ones, I'll just kind of lay them out like this. And we're going to let those things ride for about an hour, and then we'll come out and check them. All right, we've been smoking for, I have no idea. I thought I had a timer going. Oh yeah, I did. Okay, so we've been smoking for about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek and see what they look like. There we go, we got some color on them. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off, and then we'll start getting them cut up. Now what I've done on the smoker is I've gone ahead and I've cranked that thing up. I've got it at about 300 degrees. And we are going to take our sausage off, and we're going to cut these into about 1-inch pieces. Okay, after we get them all cut up, I've got a bunch of them. I'm not going to sit here and cut up every single one of them and let y'all see them. But after we get them cut up, oh, got an escapee. We're going to throw them into an aluminum foil pan. Let me go ahead and get the rest of these cut up real quick. All right, see how I've got this pan? If I can get them separated. You just want like a thin, one single layer of sausage on here so they can cook over easier, or better, they'll crisp up. So you might need 2 pans. All right, here's my last ones. All right, I got 2 pans with my layer of sausage on them. Now the next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna add your favorite barbecue sauce. It doesn't matter what kind you get, but just add your favorite kind. I'm not gonna say any particular brand that you need to get. My favorite is actually the barbecue sauce I make, but I haven't made any in a long time. If I can get this off. Can you open that? I can't grab a hold of it with these gloves on. There you go. Guess I could have taken the glove off. All right, and you just need to get a coating over all of it, because when you cook these, the sugar's inside the barbecue sauce, are going to tend to brown up. So we're going to get a layer all over these bad boys. Makes a great sound, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can talk.
I know.
You can say something other than, yeah. All right, we're gonna mix these things up, get a light layer on them. Don't go too heavy with it, just put a light layer on it. Save your barbecue sauce for if people want more on it later. All right, we got them layered up. Or a single layer on it, got our barbecue sauce on top. Now, I've got it set on 300. It's gonna crank up to temperature. We're gonna put these in here and we're gonna leave them in for about 30 minutes. That's it. All right, we got one in. Got number 2 going in here. You know, pull up there and take a look at those. We're gonna leave those in for 1 hour, or not 1 hour, for 30 minutes, and then we'll come back out and grab them. It's been about 20 minutes, and we're gonna pull them off here. And they are really hot. They smell good though. When on this Pit Boss, for some reason in the middle, it gets like hotter than hell. So I need to get like a diverter because that barbecue sauce got way too hot. But anyway, we're gonna give this a shot. Are you gonna give this a try?
Yeah.
There.
Ow.
I don't know how. Here, just touch it with your fingers. Come over on this side so the camera can see your face. There you go. How hot is it?
It's not that hot.
Well, grab it if it's not that hot. You didn't even blow on it. Golly, you just chomped into that sucker. I think it needs more barbecue sauce. And we can put more barbecue sauce on it afterwards, but I think it's pretty good. With a little more sauce, it'd be even better. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to go eat it? You're staring it down. You want another piece, aren't you?
No. Go away.
All right. Well, that's going to be our smoked sausage burn-ins. We're going to take this stuff in the house and plate it up, and we're going to eat us some dinner. Y'all make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.